avocado in the fridge.
Okay, I am sorry the mic was not on, but hopefully the camera picked up something because your girl is going through it. She didn't pick up nothing? She would have still picked up something, right?
No.
Nothing at all, just dead sound.
Once it
Plugged in.
Nash.
All that good stuff just gone.
Nande it not connect?
No, it's connected. I didn't turn it on. Completely forgot to turn it on. I got too many things to turn on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Take two. I'm stressed out. Ooh, it's getting hot in here too. What happened? We need liquor AC. So I'm just in my favorite section. Totally 100% next to my bedroom. This is my second favorite spot in the house. If you know, you know. Okay. Like I said, we are in the house. We're just being bums. We're not doing anything. Work hard, play harder. So I had this idea, right, to make like a marker stand because I got some new markers, right? Now, I'm not buying any more markers after this. The next stop is 100% Copic. I'm not buying, no, I hope so. Not buying any more markers because I already have the, I'm becoming a lightweight, and I think it's because I have changed so much. Is she focusing on me? Okay, I think it's because I have changed how I'm eating now. Like, because I'm eating less, you know, like how I used to drink alcohol does not suffice. Like, I'm a lightweight, the head starts spinning really, really quick. I feel really good really quick. So I need to know my cutoff point, okay? Anyway, so I have the Honolulu set by Ohuhu, okay? And don't worry guys, I am going to do my coloring collection because so many of you want to know the tools that I am using, but I'm not going to put it on this channel, okay? I feel like that is better served on the other channel, even though a lot of you on here are also asking me for that information. So please make sure you go and follow that channel if you want to. Ain't nobody got no gun to your head, boo boo. You can go on over here and you know what I'm saying. So only if you want to. All right now, and like I said, I have my PO box. I have to put that out there. Okay, I have the PO box. I'm excited to see what you guys send me. Anyways, so I got the whole entire set of the Honolulu thingamajiggy. So I wanted to get the Oahu. I'm not Hawaiian, but I wanted to get the Oahu set. Anyways, so I got the whole entire set of the Honolulu thingamajiggy. So I wanted to get the Oahu. I'm not Hawaiian, but I wanted to get the Oahu set. And look how beautiful they are. Like, I can't get enough. They're so pretty. This is basically a fine tip and chisel, whereas that is the brush and chisel. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the whole entire what I have on my other channel, not on this one. So anyways, we're not talking about that. So I got this idea. I saw a wine case, right, to lay wine in. So I ordered it on Amazon and it already came, but it needs some work. So I want to store my markers in this. I feel like this will definitely fit in this, but it needs some work. It can't be left like this. And I don't want the regular marker holder. I want something a little bit more unique, something with a little bit more flair. So I have this, right? So what I want to do is close this area like this and put a backing. Very, very simple. And I feel like this display of markers, this is for this. Okay, so these are gonna stay like this because this is perfect. Okay, but this is the second idea. So hubby's gonna deal with this right now. And I'm gonna chill and enjoy my show and my little beverage. And I can't wait till he's finished because I wanna put these in there so bad. So that's what we're doing today. And I think it's gonna look super, super cute. Like, these don't need to be in order like these, okay? Because these are like accents. These are like detailed work. This is not for coloring the actual page. This is for adding detail. So I don't need them to be like in order like how this is in order. I will talk about coloring until Jesus come. Okay, so let me go ahead and get on up. But that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna get out of the way and let him do what he is doing. Alright y'all, so hubby is done building my marker thingy, and how pretty is that? Like, how unique. Can you just picture all the markers there? And like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you got, and then you got, girl, I like that. Look at my new friend. Stop playing.
I'm gonna cook, man. You hungry, sure?
Yeah, I'm starving. What are you going to make?
Fried rice.
Chahan.
With leftover rice.
Okay. Jaja.
好きでしょ Chahan.
Yeah. What kind of chahan?
Just put together, man.
No, like what kind of meat you gonna put?
Minced meat. That is a beef and pork.
Okay. Cook it up.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna cut up scallion. About half of scallion. You just watch me.
Me have to monitor the food. Weekend party, party, party. Not in there.
Mother.
Chef, watch it. With them fancy bowls. Use every bowl under the sun.
But it's good.
I give himself work. Whole heap of washing.
No, man.
Trials and tribulation.
Give us free.
Onion.
Yeah, cut up onion now. Party like we just don't care.
It's a flesh onion.
What you say? Come out of the kitchen. No, sir. Island vibes.
Oh.
Hey, chef a malfunction. Zagazao. Me say the vibe it nice and the thing just set off. Me walk go eat some chahan and bet off.
You're stupid, man.
Send on a little food for 5. Did you watch my coloring video?
Yeah, man.
Did you like it?
Nice.
Did you see yourself? Yeah.
That me and you.
That's me and you. And Barkley. I work, you have me at work. Me a cameraman. Me supposed to live life.
If you wanna eat, you have to work.
Hear you? I saw it go.
Everybody work, so you have to work.
Hey, go there, chefy. Because girl a real Cayman, she not take no shot and she not take no onion.
Yamete, I might cut my finger.
You almost cut your finger. You see? You see?
No, because
You see?
you did a stupid thing.
You want me go in?
No, you can't stay. Garlic. Watch out. Okay. So while you cook, it's better to clean the kitchen. You wanna help me?
No. What you need?
Egg.
Which one? This one?
That bowl good for whisking eggs.
Because of the shape. In my runway 4 or 5. That would have been a disaster. We need this it, right? This is all I have to do. I don't have to do nothing more 4 or 5. I beg you.
But not difficult.
No, sir. Me have to look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the. This is a nice bowl. This is for the eggs, okay? Chef, you know. Okay. Let's go to some of this.
Orange meat. And this is leftover rice. For fried rice, the leftover rice is the better. Okay, this is
Olive oil.
olive oil.
How are them? Pour this something, man.
Fried rice, good amount of olive oil like this. Thanks.
Who told you bad girl don't dance?
Put these eggs on top the rice.
On top.
Hey, cameraman.
Oh, wagwan. 4 or 5. You don't look up here.
It's not finished.
Just put minced meat.
Fling the meat in there. Boop.
This fried rice so easy to cook. Vegetables.
Fling the vegetable in there. Who told you bad girl don't dance? Boop. Enjoy my life. Little salt.
Salt on top vegetable.
Alright.
Just little bit.
Little salt.
Okay.
Little choke. Cover it.
Then start cleaning the kitchen again.
Start clean the kitchen. I not have to do nothing in this part, right?
Okay, I can give you the work.
No, I don't want the work. I don't want it.
Easy work. Just put it back
in the fridge. God is good. Just in the fridge. All right.
No.
In the vegetable area.
Vegetable room.
4 or 5 directions. Be clear. I don't know. It's my first day here. I don't know. Whew. Smells good. Ooh. see how I helping you?
Thank you.
Somi shantan.
Chinese soup base.
Somi shantan.
Soy sauce make fried rice brown.
Black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper.
It's like him don't know the words them today too. Because I troubling you? Somi santan.
Yeah.
Turn down the fire.
Yeah. This thing make food pan.
Techniques.
Yeah, Nakamura.
Little bit of somi shantan
Add scallion.
and bok. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait. Okay.
Food is ready.
Ooh, it looks so good. Sometimes I just gotta dance, girl.
Okay. That's it.
You gonna edit this? This looks so good. Oh, the ginger. Thank you so much for cooking, Natty.
It was easy. Easy.
I learned something today.
Nice.
Wow. This is so good.
Nice.